weekNum returns the week number of a date. Now, when computing week numbers, you need to pay attention to how to correctly compute them, because depending on which day you start a week, weekNum returns different results. Let's see that with an example. The usage is very simple. You just use weekNum and then the date. By default, the week starts on Sunday. So the 1st of January 2005 was a Saturday, and weekNum returns 1 because it's the first week. And the second week starts on the first Sunday, and then the number is always 2 until the end of the week. If you pass 1 or no arguments, this is the default behavior. If you pass 2, then the week starts on Monday. And you see that weekNum2 returns 1 for both the first 2 days of the week of the year, because they are a Saturday and Sunday, and the week starts on Monday. You can also use arguments from 11 to 17, and in that case you specify the day at which the week starts. You see that the week goes to the first 2 days, the first 3 days, the first 4 days, depending on when you decide to make your week start. There is also another argument, which is 21. If you use 21, then the engine uses the ISO 8601 standard for weeks. That says that the week starts, the first week of the year is the week that contains the Thursday. And if you use weekNum 21, you see that the first 2 days of 2005 are still in the last week of 2004, because the first week containing a Thursday is the week starting on the 3rd of January. So if you need to use ISO standard, then 21 is the argument to use in order to compute the correct week number.